The inverter generates alarm 2064 device abnormal. Alarm. Device abnormal. Log in to the Fusion Solar Smart PVMS. Alarm management. 2064 device abnormal. Solution. If the cause ID is 1, 10, 11, 12, or 20, refer to suggestion 1. If DC switch is off, do not turn on the AC or DC switch. Wait until the PV string current decreases to below 0.01 amperes, and then remove the DC terminals. If DC switch is on, turn off the AC and DC switches. Wait until the PV string current decreases to below 0.01 amperes, and then remove the DC terminals. If the cause ID is 2 to 9 or 13 to 19, refer to suggestion 2. Turn off the AC and DC switches. Check whether the power grid and cable insulation are normal. Turn on the AC and DC switches 5 minutes later. If the device appearance is abnormal, turn off the AC and DC switches. Wait until the PV string current decreases to below 0.01 amperes, and then remove the DC terminals.